How to find your saved videos on YouTube. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is very simple. Open YouTube like this. Now this is the home page as you can see. All what you want to do here right now is go down here to the library, click on it, and now here on the library you will find many options. Scroll down until you find this watch later option and click on it like this. When you click on it now right here, as you can see, you will find your saved videos as you can see, and you can also choose here to sort from the most popular or the newest or the oldest. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.